Hello friends, this is Ramya. Today we are discussing about rights of medication administration. Let's start. The five rights of medication administration include right patient drug dose route and time, B right doctor drug dose route and time, right patient drug route documentation and time, right patient drug dose documentation and reason. Answer A. Which route provides the fastest drug absorption? Which route provides the fastest drug absorption? A. Oral, intramuscular, intravenous, subcutaneous. Answer intravenous. Next question. Before administering medication, the nurse should first. Before administrating of medication, the nurse should first. Before administrating of medication, the nurse should first check patient's diagnosis, check doctor's order, wash hands, and check vital signs. Answer: check doctor's order. Medication error should be reported to. Medication error should be reported to patient relatives, doctors only, the nurse manager or supervisor, pharmacist. Answer C. The correct site for intramuscular injection in adult is. The correct site for intramuscular injection in adult is deltoid muscle, ventrogluteal muscle, abdomen and forearm. Correct answer: ventrogluteal muscle. The abbreviation for PRN means A. Before meals, after meals, as needed, twice daily. Answer: as needed. Which factor affects drug absorption? Which factor affects drug absorption? A. Age, route, blood flow, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Next question. Insulin should be administered via. Insulin should be administered via. The route of administration of insulin. A. Intramuscular, B. Intravenous, C. Subcutaneous, and D. Oral. Answer: subcutaneous. A medication given under the tongue is called. A medication given under the tongue is called buccal, sublingual, C. Topical, and D. Intradermal. Answer: sublingual. When the nurse must document medication administration. When the nurse must document medication administration. A. Before giving drug, B. Immediately after giving drug, C. At the end of shift, D. Only if needed. Answer: immediately after giving drug. మనం ఏ మెడికేషన్ ఇచ్చినా కానీ వెంటనే డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ అనేది ఉండాలి. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.